Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 10T versus the Samsung Galaxy A71. And guys, and the Samsung Galaxy A71 is give you a Snapdragon 730 processor with 8 GB of RAM, while the Xiaomi Mi 10T is give you a Snapdragon 865 chipset with 8 GB of RAM as well. And guys, and the Samsung Galaxy A71 gave you a mid-range level chipset, while the Xiaomi Mi 10T gave you a flagship level chipset. So I am really excited to see that how much a difference between these two devices. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. And now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And you can see in the logo it is here a little bit more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71 as compared to the Xiaomi Mi 10T, and also both phones is running on Android 10. We have a Samsung One UI 2.5 as compared to a MIUI version 12, and the Xiaomi Mi 10T it is also support 5G as well. And you can see and the Xiaomi Mi 10T it is much faster when it comes to booting up as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. And guess you can see that, and both phones give you a very similar display. We have a Full HD IPS LCD display on the Xiaomi Mi 10T, and also we have a 144Hz refresh rate display on the Xiaomi Mi 10T, and also we have a Full HD Super AMOLED Plus display on the Samsung Galaxy A71. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. And also we have a same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer. Here we go, and you can see that is little bit more faster on the Xiaomi Mi 10T as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. And now let's see settings, and that is exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. And you can see we have a 144Hz refresh rate display on the Xiaomi Mi 10T as compared to a 60Hz on the Samsung Galaxy A71. So now let's launching some YouTube. Faster on the Xiaomi Mi 10T as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. Amazon shopping, some more application, and that is little bit more faster on the Xiaomi Mi 10T as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. Now let's see the scrolling, and feels much smoother on the Xiaomi Mi 10T as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. And now let's launch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. Launching at the same time, and you can see we have a Snapdragon 865, and you can see it is much faster as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. Subway Surfer, and you can see that, and the Xiaomi Mi 10T is performed really fast. So now let's see Pinout, faster on the Xiaomi Mi 10T. Let's see Temple Run 2, and you can see that, and the Xiaomi it is a little bit more faster as you can see. And the Samsung Galaxy A71 is take a lot of time, and you can see at the end. And the Xiaomi it is faster there. So now let's opening up the Twitter on both phones. Here we go. That is a little bit more faster on the Xiaomi Mi 10T, followed by the A71. Spotify, that is exactly the same on both phones, maybe a little bit more faster on the Xiaomi Mi 10T. Let's see Snapchat, that is about the same on both phones. Zedge, and both phones is perform about the same. And last, I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, here we go, and that is much faster on the Xiaomi Mi 10T as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. And guys, now let's see internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on the Samsung Galaxy A71 as compared to a Google Chrome on the Xiaomi Mi 10T. Wikipedia.org, first website, that is super faster on the Xiaomi Mi 10T as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. So now let's see the scrolling, and in the start I notice lags on both phones, but after some time, and again Xiaomi it is much smoother phone as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71. And next on the list is the WWE.com, and it is a little bit heavy website. Let's see which one is going to be the fastest one, and looks like, and the Xiaomi Mi 10T it is faster there but you can see that Samsung Galaxy A71, it is faster there, I believe. And you can see Samsung Galaxy A71, it is a lot faster as compared to the Xiaomi Mi 10T. Now let's see the scrolling, and feels much smoother on the Xiaomi Mi 10T as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A71, because we have a 60 Hz as compared to a 144 Hz refresh rate display. So guys, now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and we have 8 GB of RAM on both these two devices. So now let's start off with the phone dialer. Here we go, and that is not refresh. Let's see settings, no refresh again. YouTube, Amazon shopping, and it is a in-app refresh. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, Subway Surfer, that is not refresh on both phones. Let's see Pinout, let's see Temple Run 2. Now let's check out the Twitter, no refresh. Let's see Spotify, let's see Snapchat, Zech, and last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say an app's opening speed is much faster on the Xiaomi Mi 10T, because we have a Snapdragon 865 chipset as compared to a mid-range level Snapdragon 730. And the RAM measurement, it is absolutely incredible on both these two devices. So that's about it, and thanks so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 10T versus the Samsung Galaxy A71. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.